What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today I'm going to announce a giveaway. Unfortunately, John is not here to share in this spectacular news of the giveaway. Now, the rules are really simple. We have about 218 subscribers. When it hits 223 subscribers, I'm going to look back on this video and I'm going to take every single name that is in the comments below. I'm going to put it in a random generator, and whatever it selects, they will receive the prize. It's going to be a MSR Pocket Rocket 2. I don't know if you have one. I don't know if you know about it, but it's a stove. It's a camping stove that you can bring out to any place and just cook a nice little meal that you will enjoy for dinner or for lunch or even for breakfast. Again, simple rules. 223 subscribers. If you know somebody, please ask them to subscribe to this channel if they want to win this prize. Just have them comment, have yourself comment. I don't know, make multiple accounts and comment. Doesn't matter. But as long as your name is in the comment box below, I will put your name in the random generator. And once they pick whoever it is, they will receive the prize. You don't have to pay for postage. You don't have to pay taxes. You don't have to pay for anything. I will ship it to your house practically anywhere, probably in the United States, because I don't know if I'm willing to pay $100 to ship it internationally. But if you do, I don't know, if you want to give this away to somebody, I can ship it to them as well. But if you want to keep it for yourself or for your kid or for your, friends or whoever it is, or just extra gear and you win, it doesn't matter to me. Anyways, again, 223 subscribers is when I will kick off the raffle or the generator thing. And then every name in the comments below, I will put in a random generator. It will select, and that's it. I mean, I can ask you to like the video, I can ask you to be a subscriber, but it doesn't really matter as long as you make a comment. Anyways, if you got any questions, leave it below. I will get back to you as, whenever I get a chance. Good luck.